Hello guys, if you got problem with your keyboard, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First, let's see what is the problem. The problem is when you type U, it types 4, types P, types star. When you type I, types 5, type J, it types number 1. So first thing, you need to go study this one. You need to go my computer, control panel, easy of access center,
Always in this section.
and then you start, you click on here,
Start on screen.
start on screen. So when you got this one, you got this one, if you click there on option, you get option, you will get a little icon in here. There's first one, there's option already tick, use click sound. The second one is turn on romantic keypad. Sorry if I pronounce it wrong, but you just click there and then you press OK. You press OK. There you go. And then you come back to your screen. You see a numbers. See that? See a numbers. You click on it again. See the number is gone. Now you go back. Cancel this. Cancel that. And you go back. If you type P, it will type P. Type U, type U. Type K, types K. It backs to the normal. So if you like it, share it, and then if you want me to come up with something, leave your comment. Thank you for watching it.